Hey Science welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to get looking at density. And I won't tell you about density because it's another video all about density container. Try to look for that video. Rainbow rain. 4 things. First, coloring, a stick to mix it up, some oil, and a glass of water. We will take blue first so that you can see it. First, add 2 drops, 3 drops. Now, I'm going to stir it up. Wow! It's like a rainbow tornado just now. 3, I'm going to put it in here. Alright, now we wait. See, there's giant lumps over here. They're not moving anyway. Wait, patient. See that? It feels so fast. Like, subscribe. Bye.